Introducing the perfect duo for color-treated hair, the Color Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle from Jules. Designed to protect and enhance your vibrant look, this bundle is packed with nourishing ingredients to keep your hair healthy and radiant. Our Color Shampoo is enriched with rosemary, lemon, and aloe to gently cleanse while preserving your color. Vitamins E and B strengthen your hair, leaving it soft and full of shine. Follow up with our Color Conditioner, infused with rosemary, avocado oil, olive oil, and aloe for deep hydration. This lightweight conditioner locks in color, repairs damage, and leaves your hair smooth and detangled. Together, they protect and nourish your hair, keeping your color vibrant and your hair silky, strong, and full of life. Say goodbye to dull color and hello to vibrant, healthy hair with the Jules Color Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle. Available now at julesbeauty.com.